Whether you're looking to add some greenery to your dorm or you just moved off campus and wanting to start your own garden, we've got 3 gardening tips that are sure to make your plants thrive. Our first gardening tip is when to plant. For outdoor plants, it varies, but a good rule of thumb is if the store is displaying it outside, you're probably okay to plant. For indoor plants, you can have them all year round, but make sure to take note of where the sunlight hits. What's good in the winter might fry your plants in the summer. Our second gardening tip is where to plant. For outdoor plants, try to make sure your plant is getting direct sunlight throughout the day and isn't in a spot that's easily flooded. And to make it a little bit easier on yourself, try to plant it near a water source so you don't have to lug your water back and forth. As for indoor plants, we already talked about direct sunlight, but try to take into consideration other factors such as pets or clumsy roommates. Our third gardening tip is when to water. For both indoor and outdoor plants, try to water your plants in the morning so they have all day to dry, and then you avoid rotting roots. If you're looking for some good starter plants, check out the link in the description below for the best indoor and outdoor plants for beginners. Happy gardening, Red Hawks!